Alright, so what do we got going on here? Some kind of 1974 nickel. Looks like he's driving a stake through it. Now he's got a smaller coin, and he's scratching its insides out. Okay. Alright, just scratch those insides out. Now he's going to torture it with fire and press it against a large metal block of cheese. Okay. What's next? He's going to put it in this little metal wheel and put a cone and squeeze all the rest of the juices out of it, I guess. And he's going to fire torture it again and drown it a little bit. And then he's going to stretch it with a cone. All right, stretch it with a cone. Boy, that nickel's looking weird. He's going to put it inside another metal wheel, and I'm not sure what's happening here. This is pretty strange. Anybody know? Okay, he's going to rub it on an old man's beard for a little bit. That's probably for good luck. And he's really going at it. Okay, all right. Nice and... He's going to stab the eagle and a small cowboy hat. And now... Oh, looky there. Some nice coin jewelry. I bet you can get that at coinringmaker.com. What a weird video. Huh.